Black farmers, there was a point where Black people owned over 15 million acres of land. That acreage is down to about 2 million acres today, and we're still losing. Our work started with the civil rights movement. And during that work, we would encounter people who were being kicked off land owned by white farmers because they participated in the movement. So we had to come up with an answer for that. And during the summer of 1968, 7 individuals, including my husband, went to Israel to study the kibbutz, to look at how Israel was resettling its people. And they came back, and we decided to create new communities, which became the first community land trust in the country. I grew up on a farm, and I knew what that meant to me and my family. It provided a way to a better life. We tried to take care of the land, and when you take care of the land takes care of you. When farmers are doing well, communities are doing well. And when people on the farm have money, that means the grocery stores do better, and all of the other retail outlets are doing better. When those things are not working, you see stores close, you see farms lost, you see tax revenue lost. In the rural area, you lose the population. A lot of them end up in the not so good part of cities because that's the best they can try to do.
This is the Creek variety, heavy producer, 6-year-old tree this year, probably produced about 750 to 800 pounds to the acre this year.
For new communities, as we move forward, we don't have the acreage we had before. So many of the plans we made in the 70s, we had to adjust for what we have now. So we have to do production agriculture because we do need to make money to be able to stay here. We have pecan trees, satsumas, and muscadine grapes, but we can't just think about new communities. We have to think about the region. So we need people who can see the good in this area and who will commit to helping to bring some of that out in all of us. When you see a product from this area, you have to know that a lot of love went into that. We take pride in trying to produce a quality product, not a product that's just trying to hurry up and get it on the market so that we can make the biggest dollar. Yeah, we need to make money, but we also care about the products that we produce because we want you to have the best that this land can provide. Buying these pecans mean that you've helped to provide a market for us, a market that we find lots of problems breaking into. When you buy this product, you make it possible for us to continue the work that we are trying to do in this area. And it's something we hope will be here, providing that spark that will help to make the area better for years and years to come.